Hello, today I will guide you on how to fix the error this copy of Microsoft Office is not activated. This error appears if you didn't activate Microsoft Office or if your license has expired. Don't worry, in this video I'll show you how to fix it using a quick and easy method. To fix the activation error, we'll use the Rearm method, a hidden feature in Microsoft Office. The Rearm method extends the Office trial period and temporarily removes the activation error. This gives you a 30-day grace period during which Microsoft Office works without interruptions. You can use this method up to 5 times, giving you up to 150 extra trial days. Close all running Office applications like Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. Open File Explorer and go to the directory where Microsoft Office is installed. Open Command Prompt as Administrator. Navigate to the Office installation directory in the command prompt. Type the command to reset the activation period and press Enter. After running the command, you should see a message confirming the rearm was successful. Open any Office application. This copy of Microsoft Office is not activated. Message should no longer appear. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.